Good day, students. Welcome again to an exciting educational video today. This is again Dr. Luisito Masanga at your service. Shout out and thank you very much to those students from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao who are faithfully and consistently watching my educational video. To these students, a warm round of applause to all of you. Mabuhay. And for today, our tutorial video is about social media targeting and segmenting. This is module 2 or part 2. This is a continuation of our previous educational video about this. And to continue, our learning outcomes for this tutorial video, module 2. At the end of the video, students will be able to learn segmenting and targeting concepts and principles in social media marketing. Number 2, students will be able to understand and synthesize the different steps or processes in conducting segmentation and targeting in social media marketing. All right, let us review first what are the different steps or processes in conducting social media marketing targeting. Let us review the different steps in targeting social media marketing campaigns. Of course, there are best practices. Like, for example, you cannot use a generic message if you identify, let's say, 3 segments. So that 3 segments has to have their own individual messages and campaign. Number 2, you have to pencil push and research and plan and identify and segment your target audience. Once you already segment and clearly, crystal clear that you identify this particular target market, and then you have done your first step. And it will be followed by creating personas. Let us take, for example, your first target audience are the young professionals. So they are already building their career, and we could tag them a role of yappies. If you have another target, which is the working mothers or the housewives or the women professionals, maybe we could tag them as a persona of double tasker. And the next is you develop a media plan for each of these target segment. And the last is optimize media schedule and post. So those are the steps before doing an actual social media marketing campaigns. Now, you are already done with your research planning, and let us try to discuss the different steps and stages of targeting. Okay, as you can see here, this is a ladder, and we call this as Forrester Social Technographics Ladder. According to this ladder, these are the different persona or groups: creators, conversationalists, critics, collectors, joiners, spectators, and inactives. So these persona have different activities, and according to Forrester Social Technographics Ladder, these are the different activities being performed by the different groups of consumers. So the highest here, as we can see, is the 59%, no? The spectators, which is the highest, 70%. And these are the different activities. They read blogs, listen to podcasts, watch video from other users, read online forums, read customer ratings, reviews, and read tweets. So these are the different activities being performed by the spectator. So you must have a strategic campaign or message for this group of consumer, followed by the joiners. The joiners are, you know, the different activities is they maintain profile on a social media networking site. They visit social media networking sites. And then followed by the critics persona, and the different activities is they post ratings, reviews of products or services. They frequently comment on someone's blog. They contribute to online forums, and they contribute to edit articles in a in the network. So followed by the conversationalist, and the activities being performed is the update status on a social networking site, post updates on Twitter. So more or less you have an idea if you can identify a segment. Okay, you create your persona and then create a different messages for each of the persona group of consumers that you identified. More or less, you have a bird's eye view of what activities are being done by the different group of consumers. We are referring to the now to the second stage of the process in targeting before launching a promotional campaign. Of course, this is persona development, and it has three development cycle. First, you identify personal roles, and then you list needs and situational triggers, no? The needs and wants of this persona. And then the next cycle is creating messaging objectives. Very simple as that. No? In the persona development, it has a cycle. When you are developing now the second stage, developing the media plan, you try to choose and identify the different mixes of your media. Schedule each post on each platform: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Those are the different platforms. And then you execute the best strategic schedule to post. Now, the next is follow the reaction to the post. You must listen to that story being, sent by your viewers or listeners. Listen and perhaps reply to at least some of them. So it's also a two-way communication. There is a sender, there is a receiver, but you have to process the information being sent by the receiver of the message, okay? Because there is a storyline being emphasized, being reached out by your listener. And it is very good to listen to their stories. This is the last stage, optimizing your social media marketing, post and post timing. Meaning to say, it is very difficult to optimize social content. Every platform is different. No? Like for example, here you must really, when we say optimize for social media marketing, it means make everything clear to the user's profile, to her blog, post to her Pinterest pin, as visible as possible to everyone on the platform. And, sometimes in the search engine rankings, because optimization, you optimize your post and you strategize your posting timing and schedule. And we will show an example on Facebook, on Twitter, the best time to optimize post and timing. Let's go to this example of a platform, which is Facebook. All right. So here, when is the best time to post? Let's talk about days and the time. Let's go first to the best days to post in Facebook. You can see here that 86% in Facebook, 86% of posts are published during work week. That's Monday to Friday, with engagement peaking on Thursday and Friday. So meaning to say, that's the best days to post, Thursday and Friday. And engagement fall 3.6% below average for posts published Monday to Wednesday. So according to this data, it is advisable to post Thursday and Friday. Now, when is the best time of the day to post in Facebook platform? The best time is to 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. That's, the range of the time. But if you want to get more or most share in Facebook, the data recommends at 1 p.m. And if you want to get most clicks, it is 3 p.m. Now, it depends on the type of your audience, but you have to consult fan page, Karma, to find optimal time tailored to your audience. So these are just recommendations, and you better check fan page Karma so that you can get an optimum time in Facebook platform for your target audience. Let's go to the next platform, which is Twitter. When is the best time to post? Here, you can see that this is days and this is time. However, in Twitter, there are two categories, business to business and business to consumer. According to our data, business to business, weekdays, Monday to Friday, provide 14% engagement than weekends. That is business to business. However, on the next side, if you are belonging to business to consumer in Twitter, the engagement and CTR, click-through rate, are highest on weekends, Saturday and Sunday, and Wednesday. So here, you can vividly see that for business to business, it is during weekdays. Business to consumer is Wednesday and weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So that is the strategic day of the week for Twitter. And then we go to the best time of the day tweet. Here, you can see that at 12 noon time, okay, highest CTR or click-through rate. While 5 p.m., okay, 5 p.m. is highest retweets. Okay. And then the data also shows us at 6 p.m., that is the highest click-through rate as well. So there is a tip here that in order to get and identify the optimal time for your target audience, you can go to follower work so that you will have additional data and information to optimize your target audience, and that is for Twitter. Let's go to the next platform, which is Instagram. All right. what is the best days to post in Instagram? This is based on Fortune 500, no? Instagram engagement stays consistent throughout the week, Monday to Sunday. However, they observe, according to the data, that there is slight decrease in engagement that is happening every Monday and Sunday. But all throughout the week, Instagram is consistent. Let's go to the best time of the day to post. All right. So this is a working hour, a working day, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So during work hours, an average of 22.5 per 1,000 Instagram followers interacted with videos posted by Fortune 500 companies. However, during off hours, that is maybe 12 to 1, during break time, 33.4 per 1,000 interacted with the content. So during break time period, there is more interaction because they are, taking a break. But here, the data tells us that in Instagram, it is consistent throughout the week, but Monday and Sunday, there is a decrease in the engagement. So the best time Instagram followers are reacting to the content is during break time hours, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Another platform is Pinterest. The best days to pin is Saturday. No? That is their recommendation. The best time to pin is Saturday. And the best time to post is 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. With this platform, Pinterest. Another platform is Google+. The best days to post is Monday to Friday, which is a weekday, and the best time of the day to post is between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., which is, very good engagement for the platform Google+. Their platform, professional platform, is LinkedIn. So when is the best days to post? It is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, while the best time of the day to post is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. and 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. That is the best time of the day to post using LinkedIn professional platform. Brand posts are owned media with no advertising cost, while ads on social media platforms are paid media, usually pay-per-click post. Advertisers usually get targeting options because advertisers pay for media space. Here are my references or review of literature for this tutorial video. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing the channel. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be notified. Keep safe, everyone, till our next tutorial video.